Hi everyone, welcome to today's class, which focuses on the weather and seasons. The weather describes the condition of the air at a particular time and place. It tells us how the air, or wind, moves and anything it might be carrying, such as rain, snow, or clouds. The Earth moves around the Sun tilted at an angle, so that each area of the Earth receives different amounts of the Sun's energy at different times of the year. This is why we have seasons. Let's take a look at the 4 seasons. Spring is a time of renewal in nature. Trees begin to bud and flowers bloom. The weather is at its warmest in summer and we have the most daylight. Some vocabulary related to these seasons. Breeze, a light wind. Climate describes the average weather conditions in a certain place over a long period of time. Clouds, a visible collection of tiny water droplets or, at colder temperatures, ice crystals floating in the air above the surface. Humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. Rainbow, a spectacular sky display caused by the bending of sunlight passing through raindrops. Temperature, a measurement of how hot or cold something is. Fall is a time of year when animals prepare for winter and many plants lose their leaves. Winter brings cold weather, snow, and ice for many people in the world. Some vocabulary related to these seasons. Dew, water that forms on objects close to the ground when its temperature falls below the dew point of the surface air. Environment, the external conditions and surroundings, especially those that affect the quality of life of plants, animals, and human beings. Fog, a cloud on the ground that reduces visibility. Frost, ice crystals that form on a surface, like the ground or plant leaves. Storm, any disturbed state of the atmosphere that creates unpleasant weather, like rain, lightning, thunder, hail, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Wind, the movement of air relative to the surface of the earth. Here are some statements you might hear people using when they talk about the weather. It's looking nice outside. Yes, it's beautiful weather. How's the weather? I hear it'll clear up later. It's going to rain by the look of it. What's it like outside? The sun's trying to come out. It's finally decided to rain. Lovely day. I hope it lasts. What's the temperature there? It's 27 degrees Celsius. What's the weather forecast? They say it'll be clear all day. We're in for frost tonight. Beautiful day, isn't it? It couldn't be better. And here are some typical items of clothing you're likely to see in the summer. Sandals, bikini, sunglasses, polo shirt, blouse and denim shorts, floral dress, t-shirts, shorts, and some typical items of clothing that you're likely to see in the winter. Hat, umbrella, coat or jacket, boots, scarf, gloves. So let's review what we've just learned. Describe an outfit that you might wear on a warm day. Describe an outfit that you might wear on a cold day. Explain why we have 4 seasons. Describe the typical weather during spring. Describe the typical weather during autumn. Select the best word to complete the sentence. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.